watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, it is sponsored by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Today we are reviewing some of their holiday makeup sets that is perfect for the holiday season. All of their makeup sets right now are on sale. I definitely think you guys should take advantage of that before the holiday season is over. I know my video is going up a little late. It's not too late to still give some money. I know Christmas is over, but it's not too late. Also, you can treat yourself with some new makeup. Everything again is on sale right now, so definitely take advantage of that. So I do want to start off with their skincare stuff. Again, all of their holiday sets come in like mini packages, so it's like literally the minis to everything that they do carry in the regular size. For skincare, they do have a super skincare mini trio. This mini trio right here is the perfect package for like cleaning your face, especially after a long day of the full face. You do want to make sure that you cleanse your face thoroughly, and on the inside you have your cleanser, your toner, and also a moisturizer for your face. So this is like the perfect value package, especially for those on a budget. So this mini trio right here, I believe is going for about $10 on their website, which you do get a good amount of product in each tube. So definitely recommend this. I do love their toners, especially. I have the full size one of this toner right here. Absolutely love it. They have some really good skincare products I would definitely recommend for you guys. Next, we do have the Jet Set Hydration Kit. Love these products right here. Definitely recommend for like your nighttime skincare routine. On the inside, you can definitely find a daily face cleanser, your daily hydration moisturizer. They also have a nourishing night cream. Lastly, you also do get a lip balm on the insides, which smells really good as well. I'm not really big of a lip balm person, but I feel like this would be perfect for the winter time, especially if you have really dry and chapped lips. So yeah. Moving on to some makeup right now, we do have their glitter kit. So this is their Candy Drip Liquid Glitter Eye Set. So these liquid glitter eyeshadow are perfect for makeup beginners, especially if you're new to this makeup game and you just want to do something different and spark your makeup game up. Alright, so I'm just going to test the pigments on my hand just to show you guys how beautiful the colors are. So this is that. Really pretty. This one is in the shade Flirty Birdie. This is the gold color. It's more like a champagne color, to be honest. It's not really too much gold. Definitely looks more champagne on the hands. Now we're gonna try that purple pigment. Alright, so that is what that purple pigment is looking like. Really pretty as well. This would definitely be like a really cool looking eyeshadow color on your lids. Last, we have that pretty burgundy shade. Alright, so there you have it. This is what the 3 different pigments are looking like. I know my swap game is definitely terrible. We are not good at swapping at all, but that is what the 3 different shades are looking like. Really pretty. Again, these are really cool for your eyes, especially if you want to give them to somebody that's like new to makeup. I would definitely recommend these. Are like beginner friendly liquid glitters. Alright, next one right here is a holiday set with 3 pieces. On the inside, you do have an eyeliner, the eyeshadow palette. Also, you have the clear brow lash and mascara on the side. So this is what the eyeshadow palette is looking like. It does consist of a lot of shimmery shades. Have like about, I think, 2 or 3 matte shades in there, but definitely mainly shimmers. This is the eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose Gold. Eyeshadow kit does include a no smudge retraceable black eyeliner and also a clear brow and lash mascara. So next, I also picked up their Hot Chocolate Eyes eyeshadow palette. This one is in the shade Sugar Cookie. This is what it looks like. Actually, let me just go ahead and open it and show you guys all the shadows that comes in it. This one is one of my favorites. This is all the shadows that come in this eyeshadow palette. Right now this eyeshadow is on their website for less than $5. This palette does include the perfect shades for like everyday wears, sultry looks, glam looks, everything, you name it, you guys, you can find it here. It does have a combination of matte and shimmers as well. Really pretty eyeshadows, and also they're really pigmented. Next we have the Ultimate Eyes. This is a 5-piece brush set. So we do have a brush for your eye contour, small angled brush, a blending brush, a flat eyeliner brush, and also a eyebrow duo brush. This brush set right here is a complete set for your eye makeup, eyeshadow, eyebrows, and all of that. Perfect. So next we have their Marshmallow Beauty Blender. So this one is a $5 value, but on your website right now it is going for $2.50. So their beauty blenders are perfect for blending out your foundation, concealer, also baking your face. Why? Because it does have like that flat surface right there, so it's really easy to get in and bake your face with it. Would definitely recommend stacking up on these, and they are a little cheaper than the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, but I find like they work even better, especially once they're damp. Alright, so the last product that we do have here is their embellished 9-piece brush set. You have a brush in here for your entire face. You can achieve an entire makeup look using just this one brush set right here. You have your face powder brushes, eyeshadow brushes, brow brushes, contour brushes, literally every brush that you need to complete a full face of makeup you can find in here. Also, this right here, you guys, is a $43 value makeup set, but which you are getting it for $20. Definitely a steal, and they do have high quality brushes that will last you a while. So it's not where you're going to be buying a brush and it starts shedding or all the hairs on the brush start coming out. No, elf brushes are really good. They do last you a while. Definitely recommend them. Again, you have a brush in here for everything that you want to do, whether it's a full face, literally a brush for every step of your makeup routine. There is a brush in here for you. So yeah, definitely take advantage of their holiday sale that's going on right now. If you are a makeup lover like I am, I highly suggest that you treat yourself to some of their products right now. Again, everything is on sale, so you want to take advantage of that before the holiday season is over. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, it is a little different than my regular videos, but if I do not see you guys again for the New Year's, Happy New Year's to everybody. I wish you guys a late Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had fun throughout the holiday season. I wish you guys nothing but more love, success, happiness, all of that, and I will catch you guys in the New Year. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a big thumbs up, like, share if you did enjoy this video. Again, I will have all the links listed down below to where you guys can find all of these products, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.